guys? So today's the day we're gonna finally get some snow stuff ready. Got the plows in front of me actually, getting the machine warmed up. We're gonna get them pulled out, check them all out, and then the white truck over there, you probably can't see it. We're gonna put the Boss spreader in that one. We went through the spreaders about a month ago, made sure they all worked, put them back away. We're gonna put the Boss in that truck for now. The polycast is gonna stay out for another couple weeks, so we still need a dump truck, but that's the game plan. We've got some work to do around here at the shop. Like I said, gotta get the plows out, gotta service some stuff, gotta work on a couple things on the dump truck, and just kind of spend the whole day here at the shop. So gonna start with the spreader. So what we usually do is we put a tarp down, put a piece of plywood over the tarp, and then put the spreader on that. So that way any salt kind of gets stuck on this stuff and it doesn't get stuck on the bed. Like I said, we went through this and serviced it. It's all set to go. We just got to put it in and plug it in. We serviced everything about a month ago. Alright, we're in. So with these, they got a lip on them. You want to make sure they're up against your bed. And like I said, we use a little tarp that we kind of use as a reflector. I think we're going to try to figure out something that we can put here to kind of block the salt residue from getting stuck in the bumper. Last year we actually took this and we had it completely wrapped around. I think the problem with that is salt gets stuck underneath it and we couldn't clean it. So I think we're just gonna leave it like this for now. And then we got a piece of plywood underneath this. Some leaves. Plan this year is we took the toolbox out. Last year we left the toolbox in, there was still plenty of room. I wanna look into possibly getting a small walk behind snowblower or something light. Might even have to be a battery operated one, something that we can lift in and out of the truck to make it easier on us for instead of shoveling. So we're gonna leave the toolbox out this year. I'll probably put like a little box in here though with some tools just in case, like emergency stuff. But we're gonna leave it out this year. We'll see what happens. I'm looking into like the Toro snow blowers, like the little ones. But like I said, it has to be light because we have to be able to lift it in and out of the truck. We don't have capability of getting ramps, so. The lights on real quick. Hey, we're in business. All the lights on this truck are working. I got the strobes working. Not that that spotlight does much. These lights are working. Chain's going underneath, and we got the spinner going. Like I said, we went through these about a month ago, but just wanted to double check. So we just gotta tuck the wiring up a little bit better, clean that up, zip tie it, and we're good. Got the straps on nice and tight, so we're good to go if we need it. Next up, we're putting a new dump alarm switch on the dump truck. The one that was on there is just not working anymore, and we're not going to get an inspection sticker with it. We're going to get an inspection sticker on that by the end of the week, and hopefully that's the only thing we need to do to it. Everything else should be good. One of the tires is a little worn, but I think we'll be all right. But worst comes to worst, we'll just have to put a new tire on if it's too worn out. But I think we got enough tread left in it. So working on that. After that, we're going to get the plows hooked up real quick, service them. Good. Yeah. Regular lights? No. Yeah. Alright, this blinker, that's not working. That one's working. That's weird. The bulb's on, but the blinker's not working. Put both flashies on for a second. And it's trying to work. Put this one on again, this blinker. Alright, so that blinker's out. Then just go side to side, up, down. This one's all set. Yeah. Blinkers. Nice. Good. Good. So this is why we like to test stuff out, make sure it all works. We just blew a hose right here. It's all worn. I see that. It's been rubbing and it just blew out. You can see the hydraulic fluid all up here, the plow fluid. So good thing we tested that, because if we didn't, about 3 seconds into the first storm, we would have blown that and we would have been in really bad shape. So we're gonna have to get that fixed, but not a big deal. That and one light on one of the plows, that's about it. So we're in good shape. So we're just kind of looking at the other plows, and I think we're gonna end up doing new hoses on a lot of these. This one's starting to really rot out right here, and that's gonna blow. I think on the other side too there's a spot. So I think we're gonna get new hoses for at least 2 of these plows, if not all of them.
Do we have to move those forks out of the fork?
Alright, so we got some work to do on these guys. Gotta clean up the connections here. We'll get the fluids changed, hoses changed out, basically, you know, all new plow. The other thing I did get is I bought wing extensions. I only bought one set for now, and I don't know which truck we're gonna put them on yet, but basically it's just the wings that go on to kind of help with you know, pushing snow. Obviously these are straight blade plows, which we have no problem with. We'll get those and get them installed too. Well, very productive day today. Got a lot done. We got the dump truck all figured out. Got the inspection sticker on that, and we passed. Had a lot of stuff going with that truck the last month or so. If you've been watching other videos, you saw we had some issues with the lights, the dump alarm, body lights not working, all that kind of stuff. So everything's figured out there, working, and we passed inspection, so we're good for another year. The plows are all been hooked up and gone through real quick. There is a couple issues we got to address, but that's why we do that, you know. We don't want to be caught with our pants down the first storm. But we got some work to do on a couple of them. Some of the hoses are dry rotted, and we're going to do some fluid changes, all that stuff, which is to be expected. So one of the plows seems to be completely fine, but we got a light out in another one. So we got a little list of to-do stuff on that stuff, but not a big deal. A couple hours of work there. I'm actually going to pick up some new hoses right now. Spreaders in the white truck, truck 4, that's all set, which is awesome. And then we'll eventually get the polycaster in the dump truck at some point. No rush on that. We still got to use the truck for a few more jobs. So pretty productive day. Got a couple other things done. We did a lot of organizing, kind of clean up around the shop, cleaned out some of the toolboxes and the van, all that stuff. I didn't show a lot of that on the camera, so we're just kind of in the zone today. So really good day. But going to grab some new hoses now. That probably won't be in this video. We'll get to that at some point, probably later this week, maybe even early next week. Gonna spend another day or two at the shop. We got a couple things we want to do. So we got an interesting project we're kind of brainstorming, which we'll see what happens here. But we want to be able to put a small snowblower in between the bed of the truck, in the white truck, and between the bed of the truck and the salt spreader. There's about 3.5 feet of space. So we're looking into getting a Toro snowblower. It's just obviously they're heavy and there's no easy way to get it in there. So we're toying with a couple ideas how to do that. Whether we do it or not, I'm not sure, but we're gonna see if we can rig something up or figure something out to get a snowblower in there for this year. So that's gonna be another to-do project next week or two, you know. Just kind of busy work, so we'll see. We went and looked at a couple snowblowers today. That was another thing we did. We like the Toro, you know, like the I think it's called the Power Clear. I forget which one it is, but it's the one most people use. It's just a little heavy. They do have a battery version, but it's wicked light. It's just I just don't trust, you know, that it's gonna last forever. But we'll see. Just kind of thinking outside the box if we can get one in the truck. If not, you know, we'll just go back to the good old-fashioned way of shoveling everything. So, but that's probably gonna be it for today. It for this video. We'll be back later this week. Got some other stuff to do at the shop. Got probably another day or two of work to get snow stuff finally done 100%. We're like 90% of the way there. We just got the plow hose to do and a few other things. So, but really good shape. So, but thanks for watching, guys. Do my best to get some more videos out. Winter is definitely on the doorstep. It's coming. So, hopefully we'll get some snow soon. So we'll see. See you guys.